If you want a good size desk for a small space, this is my daughter's room. It's a corner desk and it fits just perfect. So as you can see, it has 4 drawers and they're the collapsible drawers. So you could put them away, fold them up, but they give a good space for storage. It has a little shelf on top. The desk itself, it has 2 different hooks for headphones, water bottles, or anything you want to hang while they're working on homework or doing anything they have to do. It has the lights on the back that change colors. You could just plug them in and they turn on by themselves and change by themselves, or you could get the app and you could control it that way. But very beautiful desk, very convenient, a good size, L-shaped desk.